1975 Caprice Classic. Okay. We end up installing a GPS tracking device. So if anybody tries to, of course, if they steal the car, he'll get an alert on his phone when it leaves the geo fence, and he'll be able to track it. It took us a while to get this GPS in here because the top of the dash is all metal, so I wanted him to get the best reception as possible. So I had to tear up the car a little bit to hide it, but it came out really nice. And I wanted to do a video because not every day you see a car like this. It's a 1975. Dumped about maybe 50 grand on the vehicle. This GPS installation in this Classic was done here by Auto Alarm Specialists in Miami. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.